While workers were continuing their daily tasks, a large storage rack carrying many heavy glass panels suddenly lost its balance. Within moments, the rack began to tip over, and the glass panels on it started moving downward rapidly. The situation developed so quickly that nearby workers had only a few seconds to notice the danger and move away. This incident highlights the importance of regularly inspecting storage systems. When storing heavy materials, the strength of the racks should be checked, and the loads must be properly secured. Workers should follow safety rules, use protective equipment, and stay away from unstable or potentially falling loads. Security camera footage from a workshop shows several employees sitting and carrying out their daily tasks. While the environment appears calm, a section of the floor suddenly collapses. A large hole opens right next to one of the workers. The event happens extremely quickly. The worker reacts with a quick reflex, stepping back and maintaining balance, narrowly avoiding falling into the opening. Situations like this highlight the importance of regularly checking ground stability. This footage captures a chilling moment at a metal fabrication facility during a routine galvanizing process. As a worker lowers metal beams into molten zinc, a sudden reaction sends sprays of liquid metal across the workspace, like white-hot sparks. The worker barely had time to shield his face and retreat through the smoke, escaping a life-threatening situation by a narrow margin. This serves as a critical reminder of industrial safety. To prevent such accidents, always wear heat-resistant PPE and specialized face shields. Crucially, ensure all materials are 100% dry before immersion. Even trace moisture can cause a wet charged steam explosion. Two workers began climbing upward, using an old metal ladder located in their work area. The ladder had been left outdoors for a long time and had become rusty and weakened. When both workers placed their weight on it at the same time, the structure suddenly lost its strength. The rusted metal steps and joints could not support the load, and the ladder suddenly broke apart. This unexpected failure caused the workers to lose their balance and created a dangerous situation. Incidents like this highlight the importance of regularly inspecting equipment. Ladders and similar tools should always be checked for rust, cracks, or structural weakness. A technician was performing maintenance on a heavy-duty truck. To access the engine, the truck's multi-ton cabin had been tilted forward. However, after lifting the cabin, no additional support stands or mechanical safety locks were used underneath it. While the technician was applying force to remove a part, a problem occurred in the lifting system. The unsupported heavy cabin suddenly dropped down, and the technician was unable to move away from the area in time. As a result, a serious workplace accident occurred. This incident shows that relying solely on hydraulic systems during maintenance can be extremely risky. When working beneath raised components, mechanical supports or safety locks must always be used. During excavation work at a construction site, an excavator bucket suddenly swung unexpectedly. At that moment, a worker was standing very close to the machine. The sudden movement of the bucket struck the worker and caused a serious workplace accident. This incident clearly demonstrated how dangerous it can be to stand too close to heavy machinery during operation. To prevent such accidents, workers should always maintain a safe distance from heavy equipment. Operators must work carefully, and when visibility is limited, a spotter should assist them. At a railway crossing, automatic barriers begin lowering as a train approaches and traffic is stopped. However, a motorcyclist attempts to pass quickly through a gap between the barriers to cross the tracks. The rider misjudges the speed of the train and reaches the tracks just as the locomotive arrives. Realizing the danger at the last moment, the rider jumps off the motorcycle and leaps backward. The train collides with the motorcycle, severely damaging it, but the rider narrowly escapes with their life. This incident shows how important it is to obey signals and barriers at railway crossings. Attempting to cross when the barriers are down is extremely dangerous because trains move at high speeds. This footage provides a critical lesson in crane safety by capturing a massive steel plate falling onto a flatbed truck. Due to inadequate rigging, the heavy load was not secured with professional-grade slings, leading to a sudden mechanical failure. As the multi-ton plate slipped from mid-air, the impact caused severe vehicle damage and created a life-threatening situation for nearby personnel who narrowly escaped. This incident highlights the necessity of rigorous equipment inspections, proper rigging techniques, and staying clear of the fall zone. It is vital to never exceed rated capacities and ensure that only certified operators manage lifting equipment. Clear communication via standardized signals is essential for coordination. Safety is never optional. A single moment of oversight can lead to irreversible consequences. Always prioritize safety first on every job site. This industrial safety alert highlights a terrifying moment during a sudden high-pressure chemical leak at a manufacturing facility. While personnel were performing routine duties, an abrupt pressure surge in a pipe or storage tank triggered a violent eruption of white liquid and gas, rapidly engulfing the workspace. The immense force of the discharge forced workers to scramble through a thick, blinding mist to evacuate, the dangers unfolding in mere seconds. The event underscores the unpredictable nature of high-pressure systems. It serves as a critical warning regarding the necessity of strict maintenance protocols and regular safety inspections. The primary lesson is clear: never underestimate industrial risks. Always wear proper personal protective equipment, PPE, and remain trained in emergency procedures to ensure survival. In this footage, a forklift operator charging raw materials into a molten metal furnace triggers a violent thermal eruption. The resulting pressure forces a surge of molten liquid to shower the facility in sparks and debris, causing significant equipment damage and endangering personnel. Technical analysis suggests the incident likely stemmed from moisture entrapment, where trapped water vaporizes instantly at 1,100 degrees Fahrenheit, or from sealed containers causing pressure ruptures. To prevent such hazards, facilities must enforce rigorous moisture control, including preheating all scrap. Furthermore, operators must utilize specialized aluminized PPE and maintain safe distances through automated systems or blast shields. Continuous hazard recognition training remains essential to ensure that hidden risks in charge materials are identified before they reach the furnace mouth. This footage captures a severe industrial accident at a port facility involving a heavy-duty material tanker. During standard operations, the vehicle was reversing down a ramp when it lost speed control, resulting in a high-energy impact with a control cabin. The collision caused significant structural failure, creating an immediate hazard for personnel. This incident serves as a critical reminder of heavy machinery risks. To prevent such events, rigorous equipment inspections and pre-shift braking system checks are mandatory. Operators must utilize trained spotters when reversing on inclines, and workstations should be protected by industrial-grade barriers to absorb impact energy. Proper training for mechanical failures is essential to protect property and life. Safety must always be the top priority.